it going, guys? My name is Rami and welcome back to another episode of RQ's Garage. And in today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the penny test. Now, what is the penny test, you ask? Why do I care? Why is it important? Well, in my previous video, we learned how to read a tire. And if you haven't watched it, I'll link that in the description below. But we were understanding different tire sizes, the measurements, and getting a feel for different tires depending on different vehicles. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how much tire tread you have left on your tire. So are your tires old? Is it time to replace them? Do they have some decent life left? We're going to find how much tread, how much thickness you have in your tire with using simply, it's in my pocket, a penny. So by using our good old friend Abe Lincoln, we can find out how much tire tread we have left on our tires. It's a really simple test. It's really easy, really fast, and if we lose a penny, it's cheap, it's a penny, who cares? But without further ado, let's get going at this tire test. The penny test is an easy way to check the tread on your vehicle's tires. Proper tread allows your vehicle to gain traction and wick water away from the tires. If your tread is worn down, your vehicle is more likely to slide around in the rain and get stuck in snow or mud. Your tires are more likely to burst if you drive on weathered tread, which can lead to a crash. The penny test is a great way to measure how much tread left you have on your tires. And if you want to be more proactive by replacing your tires, the penny test will help you decide how much tread you have left. This is great if you live in an area with a lot of rain or snow, and it's a good, safe measure to keep checking your tire tread every couple months. All right, we've come down to the wheel well of my car. We have the wheel right here, the center, we got the brakes, and here's our tire. Here's the sidewall of the tire, and the tread is gonna go inside, of course, because this is the contact point to the road. We have our tread right here. I'm putting my finger across the tread. There's, of course, snow. It's February in Ohio, but the tread, of course, is gonna be inside here. We're gonna take our penny. We're gonna look at Abraham Lincoln, our good old friend Abe, and we're gonna use his head to decipher how much tire tread we have left. So ideally, we're trying to go toward Abe Lincoln's eyes. You see his eyes? If we cover his head all the way up to his eyes, that means we have really good tire life left. Just trying to focus. If we have a tire tread up to Abe Lincoln's hairline to the top of the coin, that is a really low treaded tire, and that's pretty dangerous. It might need to be replaced. So by doing this, we're gonna take Abe Lincoln, we're gonna put him upside down, and we're gonna go inside the tread to try and measure how much tread life there is. So I'm gonna go in on one of the treads and I'm gonna push right in. I'm gonna give you a good angle here. Okay, so right here, if we put the penny in, we got some decent coverage. We're basically hitting Abe Lincoln's eyes. And that's a good tire tread right there. We're gonna move in to the next tread in line, the same section, go in. Right above his eyes. Go in again. It's hard to see with the snow, I apologize. So if we're following Abe's head on the same line in the tread, they're all identical. We're basically reaching the top of his eyes. So we're gonna be right around, so here's his head. There's his head, here's his eyes. We're basically right there. So we got good tire tread. We're gonna check actually another section of the tire to make sure the tire has even wear from the outside all the way in. So we'll come to the back of the tire. We're gonna try this side. Put Abe Lincoln's head into one of the tread. Okay. A little bit above his eyes, go in, same line. Ooh, a lot of snow. I'd say right about the same. So we have some decent tread life on this tire. This tire is really good. The penny test, we can see how much tread we have left. And we're good. There you guys have it. That is how you do the penny test on your tires to see how much tread you have left. So I have some visuals up on the screen showing you an image of Abe Lincoln's head and when it's time to replace a tire. So in this image right here, we see that the tire tread isn't even touching the top of Abraham Lincoln's hairline. That means you have low tire tread here, and it's really time to replace that tire. And again, we're gonna have to measure different spots of the tire so we have even tire wear. We have to make sure Abe Lincoln's head is covered up by that tire at the same amount in different sides of the tire to make sure we have even tire tread. And if those tires aren't evenly worn out, that might be a problem with alignment, that may be a problem with how much air, you might be overinflating or underinflating your tires. So there are different variables that you can change. But with that, I really hope you enjoyed this video. The penny test is really simple, really easy, dirt cheap. If I lose this penny, I don't get upset, and I now know how much tire tread I have left on my tires. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button below and smash that like button. Thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you on the next one.